Okay, so here we've got the Perry SleeperSecure single corner bracket, made from 2mm thick steel, pre-galvanised. Get your spacing right, make sure you've got the area secure and it's nice and flat for your sleepers. Simply drive your corner into the ground. I like to try and go about halfway down the sleeper height itself, or as near as the ground will let you. Simply align your sleepers in the corner. Then grab yourself some of the 63mm galvanised Perry SleeperSecure screws. No pilot holes needed again. And there you have it, your first corner on your sleeper bed.